Jopur Niang okwa mar mondo mi gitem giti kod koth niang mano manyasani mabende iwacho ni chiek mano mapiyo kendo ochayo tuoche mopogore opogore mamako niang e kinde mabende gidongo. Ma en kwayo mano mabende ne ogol kanyo kod jatelo maduong' mano mar kambi mar piny owacho matimo nonro kod tiegruok ewi wechego kata ewi pur mano mar niang migosi Crispin Omondi.
Today we are here at the Kisumu Agricultural Society of Kenya National Show. Kenya Sugar Research and Training Institute, which we call in short KESRETI, is exhibiting its technologies, innovations and management practices to our stakeholders so that we showcase the achievements that the institute has made, the milestone it has made since its inception. And key among them are the sugarcane that we are displaying today. And those sugarcane varieties are basically early maturing, high yield, high sucrose content, and most of them are tolerant to the common diseases. Now, these varieties are important to us because they have been carefully selected to grow in the various agroecological zones in the sugar belt. And some of those zones, may be having various challenges. And especially where you get that sugarcane varieties mature late, then our varieties are able to do that, to mature earlier. The uptake, I must confess, has been low. And it is not something that was within our means because you remember I've told you we have just newly been created as Kenya Sugar Research and Training Institute. That is 1.5 years ago. Before that, we were under an organization, Kenya Agricultural and Livestock Research Organization, KALRO. The problem when we were in KALRO, we did not have sufficient resources to multiply and distribute and popularize the varieties. But that has now changed because that funding model when we were in KALRO was in such a way that there was no money for research and operations. But now we are being funded by the Sugar Development Levy, which has given us some resources, and the training that I have mentioned, together with now a big project that we have now rolled out called multiplication, distribution and popularization of sugarcane varieties. Together with the Kenya Sugar Board, we are going to increase the production or the adoption of these varieties from the current level of 10% area covered under cane to 30%.